Okay, so today we are going to be solving the 2023 Canadian Computing Contest Junior Problems number 1. So the first problem is Delivery-e-droid. At the end of the game, the final score is calculated based on the following point system. 50 points for each package successfully delivered, and then you lose 10 points for every collision with an object, and you earn 500 points if the number of packages delivered is greater than the number of collisions with objects. So what we want to find is the final score at the end of the game. So it will consist of two lines. The first line will contain a non-negative integer p, representing the number of packages delivered, and the second line will contain a non-negative integer c. This represents the number of collision with obstacles. So let's just write that out. So we have our main class here, and we're going to go int p equals 0. We're just going to initialize these variables equals 0. So p stands for packages delivered, c stands for collisions. And then the output will consist of a single integer f representing the final score. So we'll go int f equals 0. All right. So it says that the sample input is going to be delivered 5 packages and you collided with 2 objects. Since and your output is 730, 5 times 50, 250. So 250 points minus 20 points, that's 230 points. Since the packages delivered higher than packages or collisions, you get 500 points. 500 plus 230 is that. So the explanation is right here. All right. So how are we going to get this done? Well, first, here are going to be our inputs. So we'll say we delivered 5 packages and we got collided twice. So we're going to give this a value. It's going to be p, which is 5, multiplied by 50. Because for every instance of p, we're getting 50 points. So 50 points if we deliver 1 packages. If p equals 1, 1 times 50, you get 50 points. 2 times 50, you get 100 points. All right? Then you want to subtract, put this in brackets real quick. And then you want to subtract c multiplied by 10. Because for every collision you get, you lose 10 points. So the final value is going to be this times this. So 5 times 50, 250, minus c times 10, 230. Well, what about that extra 500? Well, we can just put in an if statement here saying that if p is greater than c, we'll say f will add 500. Then once all of this is done, we'll print out f. And then we'll run our code. We'll see that we get an output of 730, just like in the question. So now we'll try this with another one. So the next sample input, we delivered 0 packages and we collided 10 times. So let's just switch these values. So we delivered 0 packages delivered, 10 collisions done, you get negative 100, just like in the thing. So it's really quite simple. No need to overcomplicate anything. And yeah, that's it.